Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in Dollar General to do our 5 off 25 deal, and then stay tuned guys for the clearance hauls. Okay guys, first we're going to start off with our first 5 off 25 haul, and we're going to grab a one of these kits. They are $3.35. We have $1.50 off coupon. That's your first one. Okay, next you're gonna grab one all detergent. This is glitching. It is $4, but it is taking off $3, making these 99 cents. Okay, we're gonna grab one extra at $4.50, and it's taking $1 off of this. So far you should have all the extra and an Airwick. Okay guys, so the next deal should have been a Belvita, but I do not see it. I'm looking to see if I missed it. I haven't missed it so far, but let's look on some more aisles. Okay, so they do not have any Belvita crackers, but I will show you the ones that we are going to get. Okay, one $5 Scott tissue, one CoverGirl at $4, and two Hawaiian Breeze at $1 each. I'm going to show you the coupons. Okay, you're going to use one Scott tissue at $1, one 5 off 25, one Airwick for $1.50 off, one extra for $1 off, one $3 CoverGirl. Make sure you pick the $3 CoverGirl. Two Glade at $1 each. They got to be this scent or clean linen. That's the CoverGirl coupon, and it's for $3 off. You need to pick that, okay? Once you do all of that, this gonna come up to $25.35. You should pay $8.85 out of pocket. That's all digital. Let's get to the second one, and pardon my hands. I've been working and they dry. The all. Don't forget to pick up your Belvita guys. That goes along with the first deal with the 5 off 25. The Belvita, I forgot all about it. Okay, so let's go to our second deal. The second one is going to be $1 Band-Aid. These are for $1. They turn around backwards and they on the wrong thing, but these are $1. Okay, so I already picked one up. The crust twin pack for $2. It's gonna be $2.50, but that just say 3, but it's $2.50. Okay, and I'm looking for children's Advil. If it's not any, then you know, guys, you have to put a children's Advil with this. Okay, put a children's Advil as soon as I could find one, because this store is wiped clean. Okay, it should. I'm gonna show you the coupon for the children's Advil if I have it. If I don't think I had the children's Advil, but let me show it. Okay, this is the $3 for the children's Advil that you should be picking up. It's the children's Advil. It's $5.50. It's giving you $3 off. $3 off the children's Advil. And then the Nivea is at $4.15. They raised it up. So we got a $2.50 off Nivea, but this is at $4.15. Okay, you're gonna need one all, one CoverGirl, one Airwick kit, and the two Glades. You're gonna need two. So let me show you how this should look. Okay, this is how this haul should look. Right here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things in here, and this should add up to $25.50 or less. Okay, if you go over, put these back, because I didn't realize this was $4.15. So make sure you scan everything and add everything. So let's see exactly what you should be at. Okay, $25.50. Look guys, that's where you should be at. That's where you should be at. $3.75. Let me show you the coupon for the Band-Aid. This is the coupon you're going to use for the Band-Aids right here. 75 cents. So you're going to take off, get one for $1, and they will come off, take 75 cents off. Now if you want to, you could grab a couple of these and just make it as a filler. Grab a couple of these, like 2, 3, whatever you need. Remember, Dollar General take 4 coupons. You also can go to the dollar aisle and grab 2 Scotties, and there's 2 off 75 cents, so you can go there also. But as usual, the better deal is what? It's the 75 cents off the Band-Aids. This is the better deal. Take a look at it again. This has to say Hawaiian. This has to be a twin pack. Make sure these are the dollars. Okay, we got 2 more little cheapies to do right now. I gave you 2 5 off 25s. Now let's do 2 cheapies, okay? Which is fantastic. I love doing these hauls. You guys know that. You can grab 1 all, 1 CoverGirl, 2 Glade, and 1 Band-Aid. This is how you should be looking right now for our first cheapie. All, a CoverGirl, a Band-Aid, 2 Glade. After you do all of that, it is $11 that you should come up with. Let me show you the coupon. Okay, $3 off the CoverGirl, 75 cents off the Band-Aid, $1 off of the 2 Glade, and $4 off the all. What do you think you have, guys? After you do all that, guys, look, $3.25. That's your first cheapie out of pocket. $3.25. That is fantastic. Make sure you try that deal. That's a cheapie. Go in there with $4, come out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things for $3.25. Let's get on to the next cheapie. Okay, let's get down here to the Band-Aids. Grab 2 Band-Aids, 2 Glade, and 2 of the 2-pack of Scotch Brite. You're gonna grab 2 of them. Okay. You guys looking at this? 2, 2, 2. This is our last cheapie, so get a good look at it. Let me show you the coupon. 2 of the 75 cents off Band-Aids, 2 of these, 1 Scotch Brite. You need 1 because it's $1 off of 2. And then 2 of those Glade. Make sure they're Hawaiian or clean. Okay, everything came up to $6. Okay, $2.50 out of pocket. So these are running at $1 each. That coupon, take 50 cents off each one. This is a glitch. We know it's not supposed to happen, but it is. Make sure they're Hawaiian or clean linen. Grab 2 Band-Aids right here. 2. Once you grab all of those, you should end up paying $2.50 out of pocket. I didn't write it down, but that's what it is. $2.50 out of pocket, guys. That's a great deal. Now I want to go and look at something. They don't have a great clearance pick up in here, but it is other ones that have a good clearance, so let's go check it out. I want to show you all a deal that, okay, see these right here? Those are working. See these right here? These is working right here, so I'm going to grab these now. So you can grab these. Also, guys, these are free, so they are easy to add to this deal. It's still going to be $2.50 out of pocket added to this deal right here. Okay, so that's a cheapie. Let me show you some more cheapies that you can do. Okay, so let's go and see how that clearance look. It's not big. Okay, this is the clearance right here. It's 90% off. Now they're supposed to have a clearance starting on Friday that's going to be blue dot. I don't see any of it, guys. Any. So far it's just still clearances off on the Valentine's Day stuff, and then some tags here and there, but not really big tags like I thought it would. Okay, so whatever's 25% or 10% off is an additional 50% off right here. See, but it's whatever is marked. This store is ridiculously not marked. It is not marked. So I really I'm gonna try one more store to see, but if not, guys, don't worry about it. I'll get a video. I will get a clearance deal and just gotta look for it. Like, not even this aisle. This aisle is not even clearance. They either be late putting it up or they just don't have a clearance aisle today, which is really weird because I'm used to them having a clearance. Okay, so we'll see. Hey guys, we are back from Dollar General, and all of these went through. So these was free. This was 25 cents, and these were $1 and some. They was $2 a piece. So it took $1 off. So I guess I paid $1.50 for each one. I still need to scour and pass. Didn't enjoy it, but hey, anyway, look. Old pennies. Oh, these are really old pennies. Like, these are old pennies from a couple of years ago when I used to penny shop. So I don't know what, but I found my walk past a buggy and the cart, and they were sitting on top of the car. Like, oh my God, those are old. So I just picked it up and scanned it, and look at that. Both of them was 1 cent. And here it is. Let me show you my little 1 cent penny that I'm proud of. 1 cent. There you go. 1 cent. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. I hope you enjoy the 5 off 25 scenarios. And make sure you share. Bye.